Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So you can see here, I have a box here from Undefeated, another pickup from them. So let's crack this open right here. I actually got this a while ago. I just didn't have the chance to actually open them up. Here. Got this during the All-Star break. Box. Again, it is coming from Undefeated right there. So you can see here you got a Nike box, Nike there, and these are the Air Zoom Generation All-Star Game Quick Start size 10, and colorway is wheat gold, and suggested retail was $225. But they actually have a sticker here for $175. So I don't know why they have $225 here, but it's actually $175. So let's crack this open. So these are the Lebron 1 All-Star shoe. Yeah, this is pretty much his rookie shoe. We got Nike paper right there. And here they are. So, just a quick look at the shoe. So this is a retro for LeBron. So again, you got LeBron up top here, and it's pretty much based off of the shoes, you know, designed off of a Hummer. So some of the fonts are Hummer based, I guess you can say. And then you have the chrome finish here, which is, you know, has this plastic right now on it. As you can see over here, it will say this chrome finish will flake off with use over time. Right there. You know, you got the carbon fiber at the bottom. You got the Nike swoosh. You got LeBron's old logo. You got Nike swoosh right there. And then the lining, it's like a satin finish to it, I guess. But just a quick look at the shoe, since it is a retro shoe that, you know, but from what I've heard, the original one was actually better as far as the quality of it. But I've never had that shoe, so can't really tell you. But here it is, just a quick look. Pretty much a wheat shoe, all over. Right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Right, YouTube, peace out.